To set a pass-fail threshold on the PXM, select Settings from the main menu. Next, select Threshold here. The first threshold you can set is the expected polarity. If you leave it unspecified, it will tell you the polarity type, but won't apply a pass-fail threshold to it. You can also select one of the polarity types. Type A, straight, Type B, reversed, Type C, crosspair, or Type U, universal system. If a different polarity is found, it's going to give you a fail. In this case, Type A, straight polarity, is selected. The second threshold you can set is the link loss. You can apply it for all wavelengths with a minimum and a maximum loss. For example, you can activate the minimum here and a maximum. Or you can select it by wavelength. You can set one for 850 nanometers, 1300 nanometers, 1310 nanometers, or one for 1550 nanometers. To set each of those, you can click on the arrow here and apply a maximum or a minimum threshold. To edit it, simply select it and enter the threshold you're looking for. In this example, it is 3 dB. Select OK to save your selection. You can perform the same procedure for all the different wavelengths. Alternatively, you can decide not to apply any threshold. In this case, you would receive the measure value without putting a threshold on it for the length loss. The third threshold element that you can set is the fibers layout. Here you can select the number of fibers that you want to be tested. You can test the entire 12 fibers, or if you want, you can test 10 fibers, excluding the one at each extremity. You can test 8 fibers for MPO 8, excluding the 2 fibers at each extremity, or it can also work with the regular MPO 8 cable. And the fourth option allows you to test only the 4 fibers on the left and the 4 fibers on the right. In this case, if you want to test MPO 8, select it here and you return to the previous menu. The thresholds are now set, and you can go ahead and perform the test.